We say to President Mnangagwa, stop disrupting the peace of Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is going to election. Allow the Zimbabweans to make their choice in a democratic manner without any form of intimidation.
Your message to ordinary Zimbabweans, the voters?
They must never despair. They must continue to fight for their country and reclaim it from kleptocracy and the criminality that has hijacked Zimbabwe. We want the Zimbabweans to fight to take over their own country back. We want the international community to lift the sanctions and let's get Zimbabwe to work again. These people who are saying they are Zimbabweans all over are the ones who should be marching in solidarity with the people of Zimbabwe and demanding free and fair elections in Zimbabwe. This thing of pretentious elections is not going to work. It's not going to deliver confidence, the much needed confidence that Zimbabweans need now from the international community to go back and reinvest then to lift the sanctions. The Zimbabweans must never despair. They must continue to fight and fight for their country. One day they shall know the real peace and freedom.
Zimbabwe ndi mai edu mazamo mairi zanu imwe pane rimwe isu pane rimwe kana maramba matiuda kuti hamusina ma-elections nandiona zvaakaita kuna Kasukuwere. Unoda kuti Kasukuwere anorara ma-elections kupi? Do you want Kasukuwere to be a candidate in South Africa where he's not a resident? In the first place, why is Kasukuwere in South Africa? Why is Jonathan Moyo in Kenya?
We are the change that we want to see in the country. We are the ones we'll be waiting for. So there's no way we've got to continue, and that's why we support those who are in the arena. In particular, the bona fide opposition. I must make that very clear. The bona fide opposition in this country is Triple C and Nelson Chamisa. They have done very well, given what Emerson Mnangagwa and his party have thrown their way, taking away their party headquarters, taking away their MPs, taking away their money. Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF have tried to destroy the opposition. And so, to their credit, the Triple C and their leader have survived. Have survived in spite of the challenges that have been presented to them. So, yes, they've made mistakes. Yes, they're not perfect, but we must give credit where credit is due. The bona fide opposition in the country is Triple C and Nelson Chamisa.
Chamisa.